Imagine two people starting at the same point. Same job, same income, same opportunities. At the beginning, there's no difference. But give it time. One of them builds stability, growing savings, a future that feels secure. The other, still stressed, still stuck, still asking the same question. Where did all my money go? The difference isn't luck. It isn't income. It's structure. Because most people manage money backwards. They pay bills first, spend what they need, and try to save what's left. But there's almost never anything left, so nothing really changes. Now imagine doing it differently. The moment money hits your account, a portion is already separated. Not later. Not if possible, immediately. This is where control begins. Part of it builds protection, a safety net. So when life hits, you don't panic, you handle it. The other part, it goes to investments. And this is where everything shifts. Because money sitting still stays the same. But money invested grows. At first it feels slow, almost invisible. But over time, it compounds. Small amounts become larger ones. Then something powerful happens. Your money starts working for you. Not because you worked harder, but because you started earlier. Time becomes your advantage. Now your lifestyle stays within limits, not restricted, but intentional. Every expense has a purpose. You're not guessing anymore, you're deciding. Then comes the final piece. Debt. If it's working against you, you remove it. Fast. Because interest can either build your future or destroy it. And once it's gone, that same money becomes fuel for your goals, for your freedom. Here's the truth. This isn't about earning more. It's about controlling what you already earn. Because without a system, money disappears. With a system, money builds. So start simple. Divide your income. Automate everything. Stay consistent. Because the people who succeed financially aren't doing something complicated. They're just doing the right things, in the right order, for long enough. Financial freedom isn't motivation, it's structure. If you're ready to see how the system truly works, follow for real strategy.